Welcome to your software engineering interview. Could you explain what a RAM is? RAM, or random access memory, is actually super simple. It's your computer's short-term memory. Its entire job is to hold data your CPU needs right now. Okay, can you give me an example? When you open an app like Chrome or VS Code, your computer loads that app from disk into RAM. The CPU doesn't want to read from disk all the time because it's slow. So RAM keeps everything close and ready. So is RAM just storage? Not exactly. Storage remembers things forever. RAM forgets everything the moment you turn your computer off. It's a fast, temporary memory, not long-term memory. Why does more RAM make my computer feel faster? Because with more RAM, your system can keep more apps and data ready at the same time. Less swapping to disk, less waiting, less pain. What happens when I don't have enough RAM? Your system starts using disk as fake RAM, called swap or virtual memory, and disks are way slower. That's when your laptop sounds like it's about to take off and everything freezes. Is faster RAM important too? Yes, but usually capacity matters more. Faster RAM helps, especially for gaming or certain workloads, but running out of RAM hurts way more than slightly slower RAM. How does RAM work with the CPU? The CPU first checks its cache. If the data is there, perfect, instant access. If not, goes to the RAM. If it's not in the RAM, then it has to go all the way to the disk, which is painfully slow. So the entire performance game is about keeping the right data as close to the CPU as possible. Cache first, then RAM, and disk as the last resort. RAM is basically high-speed short-term memory that keeps your apps running smoothly.